Okay, welcome back. So, inverse function rule. Ano ba ito? Okay, this is dy over dx is equal to 1 over dx over dy. So, pinaliktad lang. No? Okay, example number 1. Let's say x equals y plus y squared plus y cubed. So, this time, you differentiate this with respect to y. Okay? To solve for dx over dy, syempre, differentiate this with respect to y. Mas madali kasi siya kung with respect to y mo siya i-differentiate. Okay? Then, saka mo na lang siya gamitan ng inverse function rule. Okay? So, here, dx over dy is equal to dy over dy is 1 plus 2y times 1 plus 3y squared times 1. Okay? Then, to solve for dy over dx is equal to 1 over dx over dy. And what is dx over dy? 1 plus 2y plus 3y squared. Or 1 over 3y squared plus 2y plus 1. Nire-write lang natin. Okay, so this is your answer. Let's say this is solution number 1. Paano kung gusto ko naman gamitin yung ordinary lang, dx over dy agad? Gaya ng ginagawa natin sa mga previous examples. Pwede rin. Okay, hindi na natin gamitin yung inverse function rule. Pwede naman. So, let's say solution 2, from x equals y plus y squared plus y cubed. Okay, let's solve this using yung dy over dx. So, differentiate everything with or with respect to x. Okay? So, with respect to x. So, what is the derivative of x with respect to x? Diba? Ito ay identity function rule. That's dx over dx. So, yan ay 1. Okay? So, what is the derivative of y with respect to x? O, derivative of y with respect to x. Okay? Then, what is the derivative of y squared with respect to x? Derivative of y squared with respect to x. Okay? Then, what is the derivative of y cubed with respect to x? Okay? Then, again, this is 1 equal to dy over dx. This is apply power rule. Derivative of y squared is 2y. Then, derivative of y is dy over dx. What is the derivative of y cubed? We have 3y squared, then derivative of y with respect to x. Okay? Then you factor out the dy over dx. So 1 plus or 1 equals the dy over dx times quantity 1 plus 2y plus 3y squared. Then you solve for dy over dx by dividing both sides by 1 plus 2y plus 3y squared, or this is 1 over 1 plus 2y plus 3y squared, or 1 over 3y squared plus 2y plus 1. Same answer. Okay? So, example number 2. Okay, number 2 naman. Example number 2. Say x equals the square root of y plus the cube root of y. Okay? So, for your solution, again, you solve this using inverse function rule. So, differentiate first with respect to y. Okay? So, we have dx over dy equal to, pag nakakita ka ng square root, again, what is dy over dy is 1. Then, constant na yung 2, fixed na yan. Then, copy the square root. So, square root of y. Okay? Or pwede ka rin gumamit ng power rule. Okay lang din. O, itong isa gamitan natin ng power rule. We have 1/3 times y, then 1/3 minus 1. Then, derivative of y with respect to y is 1. Hindi ko na isulat, no? Okay? Rewrite lang natin. ng maayos. Gawin na rin nating fraction itong power, raised to 1 half, plus 1 over 3. 1/3 minus 1 is minus 2/3. Lagay na natin sa ilalim para positive na siya. Y raised to 2/3. Then, you solve for dy over dx. Balik na rin lang yan. So, 1 over dx over dy, and dx over dy ay ito. Okay? So, 1 over 2, y raised to 1 half, plus 1 over 3 times y raised to 2/3. Okay? Simplify. So, algebra na lang ito. So, we have 1. Then, here, we have 6y raised to 1 half, and the y raised to 2/3. On this, divided by 2y raised to 1 half times 1, we have 3 times y raised to 2/3 plus 2y raised to 1 half. Okay? Then, yung 6y raised to 1 half times y raised to 2/3, lagay natin sa numerator. So, we have dy over dx equals, okay, we have here 6y raised to 1 half times y raised to 2/3 over 3y raised to 2/3 plus 2 times y raised to 1 half. Okay? Same basis, pwedeng pagsamahin. So, we have 6y, then this is over 6. 6 divide 2 is 3. Then dito naman sa kabila is 3, or 6 divide 3 times 2. So, that's 2 times 2, 4, plus 3. So, we have here 7 over 6. Okay, fraction lang yan. Alam ko, alam nyo na yan. So, 3y raised to 2/3 plus 2 times y raised to 1 half. So, this is your final answer using the inverse function rule. Paano kung ayaw mo? Gusto mo talaga yung dy over dx lang? Pwede naman. Okay, so solution 2 tayo. Gawin natin siya. Solution 2. Okay? X equals, ano nga yun? Square root of y plus cube root of y. Okay? So, pwede yan. Pwede naman. Ganun din kagaya ng number 1 na ginawa natin. No? So, differentiate this with respect to x. Okay? Sige. So, gawin muna natin siyang fraction. So, ang gagamitin ko ay power rule para makita nyo rin. So, y raised to 1 half plus y raised to 1/3. Okay? Then, differentiate this with respect to x. So, what is the derivative of x with respect to x? What is the derivative of y raised to 1 half with respect to x? What is the derivative of y raised to 1/3 with respect to x? Okay, dx over dx, identity function rule, and this is equal to 1. Okay, then what is the derivative of y raised to 1 half? Oh, power rule lang, no? So, 1 half times the y, then subtract 1. 1 half minus 1. Then, what is dy over dx? Dy over dx. Then, next, plus. Power rule ulit. 1/3. Okay? Then, y. 1/3. Bawasan ng isa. And, what is dy over dx? Dy over dx. Yes. So, 1 equals, factor out the dy over dx, multiplied by quantity 1 over 2. Ibaba na natin to because this is negative 1 half. So, y raised to 1 half plus. Okay, plus 1 over 3. And this is negative 2/3. Ilagay na rin natin sa denominator para maging positive. So, ito na yung magiging equation natin. Then, you solve for dy over dx by dividing both sides by 1 over 2y raised to 1 half plus 1 over 3y raised to 2/3. So, 1 over 1 over 2, y raised to 1 half plus 1 over 3 times y raised to 2/3. And the rest is history. Uulitin niya lang yung ginawa natin dito sa dito. Ito na yun eh. Ito na siya. See? So, ang magiging answer mo ay parehas lang. Kasi, yan din ang gagawin natin. So, hindi ko na gagawin. Kaya nga, the rest is history na. Ulitin lang. Okay, so, kayo na lang magtuloy niyan sa bahay nyo, no? Okay? Tuloy niyo sa mga yan, scratch papers. Okay? Okay, sana naintindihan nyo ang inverse function rule. Okay, siguro isa pang example before we end this video. Isa pa, yung medyo easy. Okay? So, example number 3. Okay, so we have here, let's say x. X equals 4 minus 3y times 3 halves. Okay. So, differentiate with respect to y. Then, saka mo gamitan ng yung inverse function rule. So, i-invert mo siya, no? Okay. Or, yun. Okay? Tuloy na natin to. Equals 3 halves, no? Times 4. What's this? Minus 3y, kopya lang. Then, 3 halves, minus 1. Then, derivative of 4 minus 3y with respect to y is minus 3. Yes. Okay. Then, we have here dx over dy is equal to minus 9 over 2 times 4 minus 3y raised to 1 and 1 half minus 1, so 1 half. Okay, then solve for dy over dx. So, baliktarin mo lang. So, dy over dx is equal to 1 over, ano nangyari? This is dx over dy, so negative 9 over 2 times 4 minus 3y raised to 1 half. Okay? So, itaas natin yung negative. Okay. Like this. Negative 2. Or ganito na lang. dy over dx is equal to, since negative naman yan, dito na lang, minus. Okay? Yung 2, ilagay mo na rin lang sa taas. So, 2 over 9. Then, this is square root of 4 minus 3y. Or pwede mo pa rin siyang i-multiply by square root of 4 minus 3y over square root of 4 minus 3y. Okay? Pwede naman. Or kung allow sa inyo ang fraction, ang decimal, pwede rin. Kung gusto. Kung saan ka happy. So, pwede na yung answer. Okay? So, if you want to solve this using yung ating, if you want to differentiate this with respect to x, again, pwede rin niyang gawin. Kaya apply mo lang yung ating ginawa. Nga lang, ito minsan, siyempre, prone din sa error. Lahat naman no? Basta hindi ka, kung ingat lang naman, wala rin naman problema. Okay, calculus, titingnan mo tong differential calculus, maraming algebra. Okay? So kapag naman tayo may mga trigonometric functions, di naman tayo trigonometry naman ang madami. Okay, pag mga volume na usapan dito, mga rates of change, yan, mga ganyan. O depende, pwedeng tayong parang physics, para din namang geometry. So halo-halo ang differential calculus. Okay, so hanggang dito na lang video, and sa mga susunod pa mga video, siguro mga application naman of the derivatives. Okay, so see you there. Okay, bye-bye.